Next question again, which is very important. So what is the statement? Just if W, which is equal to f of z, is a analytic function. Analytic function. So this is an analytic function of z. Then prove that curly square curly x square plus curly square curly y square into log of absolute value of f dash z, which is equal to 0. So this is again very important result. Prove that left hand side is equal to 0. Now we already know that, since by previous example curly square curly x square curly square curly y square, so which is equal to curly square curly z conjugate, so which is equation number 1. So it is equation number 1. From this we prove that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now here the situation is log of f dash z. Now from this curly square curly x square plus curly square curly y square into log of absolute value of f dash z, which is equal to 4 times curly square curly z conjugate into log of f dash z. So this is a equation number 2. Now this can be written as, if 2 is outside, so this is equal to 2 times curly square curly z conjugate, and this is log 2 times log this, and this can be written as absolute value whole square into this. So this is log raised to power 2. We know the result, absolute value of z whole square, which is equal to z add z conjugate. So here we will use that result. So what is that result? This is a f dash z whole square, which is equal to f dash z into f dash z conjugate. So again this value is f dash z into f dash z conjugate. So remember this value can be written in this form. If this value can be written in this form, so this equation number can be written as 2 curly square curly z conjugate bracket, here it is log of bracket f dash z into f dash conjugate of z, so this is in this bracket. So this value, now what is log AB? log AB means log A plus log B. So this is 2 times curly square curly z conjugate, so which is equal to log of f dash z plus log of f dash z conjugate. So this values. Now this is a function of z and this is a function of z conjugate. So here z conjugate is constant. In this case z conjugate is constant, and in this case z simple is constant. Now so this equation can be written as, now 2 times, this is 2 times bracket. So first term, now we can differentiate this with respect to z. So curly by curly z conjugate is outside into curly by curly z log of f dash z. So this value plus curly by curly z into curly by curly z conjugate into log of f dash z conjugate. So this value. So this is entire term is in bracket. So this can be written as 2 times curly by curly z conjugate. Now this is derivative of f dash z with respect to z. So this can be written as 1 by f dash z into f double dash z, this term, plus similarly curly by curly z, again f double dash z conjugate over f dash z conjugate. So this term, and this is in bracket. Now this term is independent from z conjugate, so its derivative is 0. Similarly this term is independent from z, so its derivative is 0. So this is equal to 2 bracket 0 plus 0, so which is equal to 0. So it means this left hand side which is equal to right hand side. So that is our result. Now after going to next question, again very important and also expected for examination. So first just understand the statement of the question. So what is the statement of the question? Statement is, if f double dash z, if absolute value of f dash z, so it is a modulus of f double dash z, this can be written in the form of phi x into psi y. Mean this function is divided into 2 parts whose multiplication is function of x into function of y. Question is show that f dash z, which is equal to e raised to power alpha z square plus beta z plus gamma, where alpha is real number, and beta and gamma are complex constant. Beta and gamma are complex constant. are complex constant. So that is the statement of question. Now this previous question will be used in this equation. Now from previous question we find that, so solution from previous question, curly square curly x square plus curly square curly y square into log of f dash z, which is equal to 0. So this is equation number 1. So that we find from the previous question. Now here the given is f dash z absolute value, which is equal to phi x into psi y. It implies log of f dash z. This can be written as log of phi x into psi y. Now taking logarithm, so this is log of phi x plus log of psi y. So we get the value of this. This is equation number 2. Now substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. So just write the same in here कि substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. So we get what we get? We get curly square curly x square plus curly square curly y square, this values into log of phi x plus log of psi y, right, which is equal to 0, this value. So it implies, now first part means log of phi x, it is function of only x, and second part is function of only y. So this can be written as curly square curly x square log of phi x plus curly square curly y square log of psi y, and this term, this sum is equal to 0. Now it implies, so first I am taking first derivative, then taking second derivative. Now this can be written as d square by dx square into log of phi x. So why I write d by dx? Because it involved only x variable. So again here d square by dy square, which is log of psi y, this value log of psi y. So both are equal. So I write it as some constant that is equal to suppose 2m. So one is with this value is 2m and this value will be minus 2m. So it implies first I taking first, which is equal to this value, then I will take this term and equal to this value. So both are the same, but difference is in only in negative term. So this value is d square over dx square, which is log of phi x, which is equal to 2m. So first integrating with respect to x, so this is d by dx log of phi x, which is equal to 2m x plus constant. So that constant you may take any number, I write it as n. Again differentiate, so this is a log phi x, sorry, again integrate, so here it is log phi x, which is equal to m x square plus n x plus p. So where p is constant and similarly n is constant. So second equation is very similar to this equation. The difference is only here positive. In that equation it will be negative. So it implies minus log of psi y. So m will be same, x will be y square, n will be different, n dash, this is y, and p will be different, which is p dash. So similarly I write this equation in this way. So this value we get this values. So this is a value of log of phi x and log of psi y, and this value can be written as log of psi y if we multiply it by minus my square minus n dash y minus p dash. So here this is equation A, here this is equation B. So this can be written log psi y in this way. So this will be log of phi x into psi y, and this will be log of phi x plus log of psi y, and this will be basically log of f dash z, right? So I substitute the value of f dash z, which is phi x into psi y, then this value is written in this form. Now from this this is a log phi x A and this is a B. Now add these two number, what we get from the first equation, m is common, so this will be first m x square minus y square, from the second that is nx minus n dash y, from the third p minus p dash. So this is again constant, we can change the name. So this equation is, suppose, equation number C. So this value is log of f dash z. Now if I take log of this value is this, so from this I can find the value of f dash z. So that value can be written as f dash z taking exponential, so e raised to power m into x square minus y square plus nx minus n dash y plus p minus p dash. So this can be written in this form, p minus p dash. so we get this value. So this is our exponential. This is equation number suppose D. Now from this we find the value of f dash z. Also we know that from the given part, if f dash z, from this f dash z, so this is given f dash z, which is equal to e raised to power alpha z square plus beta z plus gamma. So this value is f dash z, where alpha is real constant, beta and gamma is complex constant. So beta and gamma is complex, so we take complex values, and alpha is real, so alpha. So what is beta? So here beta, write it as a plus iota b, beta dash, which is equal to a dash plus iota beta dash. So this value, and gamma is complex constant, so this can be written as a plus iota b and a dash plus iota b dash. Similarly, if z is x plus iota y, then z square is equal to x square minus y square plus 2xy iota. So this is the value of z square. Now substitute this value, we get f dash z, which is equal to e alpha x square minus y square plus 2xy iota, number 1. Second, beta, which is a plus iota b, then z, which is x plus iota y, plus gamma, which is again constant, a dash plus iota b dash. So this values. So simplify this result. So we get, if simplify this result, so we get e raised to power alpha x square minus y square plus a x minus by, this is a ax minus by, this is minus by, and plus a dash plus a dash, this values. Now this, hence we write, now from this result, which is similar to this result, right? So only difference, but we see the name of constant here, this is m, here it is alpha, it is a multiplication of x square minus y square, and here nx minus n dash y, here ax minus by. So this is constant, this can be written as a dash. So this result, this equation can be write in this form. In this form means it can be, it is the this value, so which prove the result. So that is our answer. After that, the next question is again, which is very important. So next question is, if f of z, which is equal to analytic of z, prove that. So next question is, if f of z this is f of z, and it is a analytic function. So it is a analytic function of z. So that is given part. Then prove that. So what is question? Prove that curly square curly x square over curly square curly y square, this term, into absolute value fz raised to power 2, this can be written as 4 times f dash z raised to power 2. So this is our result. Now solution. So how we will prove this result? We know that the curly square, by curly x square, curly square curly y square, so this value is equal to 4 times curly square curly z conjugate. We know that. Now here if I write fz whole square, so here I write fz raised to power 2. Similarly, this value will become 4 times curly square curly z conjugate bracket f of z into f of z conjugate. Why this is possible? This is because absolute value of fz whole square, which can be written as fz conjugate, and this can be written as fz, so f of z conjugate. So this value. Now first I differentiate with respect to z conjugate, and z is fixed, z is constant. Then I differentiate z. Now this is 4 times curly by curly z bracket, so this is f of z curly by curly z conjugate f of z conjugate. So this values. Now this value can be written as 4 times curly by curly z f of z. Now its derivative, so f dash z conjugate, f dash z conjugate. Now this is independent from z, so this is 4 times f dash z, and second is f dash z, this values. So this is 4 times absolute value f dash z raised to power 2, because this can be written as fz into fz conjugate. So this is equal to this value, so which prove the result. So in the next lecture we will discuss again a very important example.